et bienvenue à Learn French with Sammy. Aujourd'hui, dans cette leçon, on va continuer à pratiquer les couleurs en français. Donc, on va commencer. Hi, hello, and welcome back to Learn French with Sammy. And in this lesson, we are going to continue practicing the colors in French. So let's get started. We have 2 fun activities coming up in this lesson. So let's have a look at all of the colors again to get you ready. So to help me with that, I have my student, Tina.
Bonjour Saimi.
Bonjour Tina, on commence?
D'accord.
On y va. Red, rouge.
Rouge, rouge.
Orange, orange.
Orange, orange.
Yellow, jaune.
Jaune, jaune.
How do you remember this?
It's similar to the month of June.
Good. I hope you guys guessed the same as Tina. Well done, Tina. Green, vert.
Vert, vert.
Dark green, vert foncé.
Vert foncé, vert foncé.
Bleu, bleu.
Bleu, bleu.
Dark blue, bleu foncé.
Bleu foncé, bleu foncé.
Purple, violet.
Violet, violet.
Pink, rose.
Rose, rose.
White, blanc, blanche.
Blanc, blanche.
Well,
Blanc, blanche.
well done for remembering not to pronounce the C at the end of blanc. I hope you guys didn't pronounce blanc. Black, noir.
Noir, noir.
Well done for not remembering not to say wa. The sound
Merci.
wa. Grey, gris, gris.
Gris, gris.
Brown, marron, marron.
Marron, marron.
Beige,
Beige, beige.
golden, doré.
Doré, doré.
Silver, argenté.
Argenté, argenté.
I hope you all practice this. Au revoir, Tina.
Merci Saimi. Au revoir. À bientôt.
Now, the first fun activity is a song on the colors. So let's get started. I'll say word by word so you can follow along. Rouge et orange, jaune et vert. Repeat after me. Rouge et orange, jaune et vert. Très bien. Violet, rose et bleu. Repeat after me. Violet, rose et bleu. Très bien. Je connais toutes les couleurs, celles de l'arc-en-ciel. Repeat after me. Je connais toutes les couleurs, celles de l'arc-en-ciel. Très bien. I know all the colors of the rainbow. Well done. Next fun activity is a quiz. The first question of the quiz is, c'est quelle couleur ça? What color is it? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, and the answer is doré. C'est doré. It is gold. If you guessed it right, then comment below saying, I got all of the questions right. Next question. C'est quelle couleur ça? What color is it? You have 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up, and the answer is rouge. Red for a Christmas ball. Un boule de Noël in French. Next question. C'est quelle couleur ça? What color is it? You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. The answer is blanc and blanche. White. The next question is, c'est quelle couleur ça? What color is it? You have 5 seconds to answer this question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. And the answer is bleu, blanc et rouge, le drapeau de France. Blue, white, and red, the flag of France. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please share in the comment section below how much you got. Au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.